These are just some pictures that I created using ChatGPT. Well, technically I wasn't using ChatGPT, I was using Perplexity AI, but it is still using the exact same technology as the one from ChatGPT, which is GPT Image 1 model, also known as GPT-4o image generation. So basically I was turning some logos from some famous company into this Plushy or pillows. I think these days people call it Plushy, and I think this is a great way to visualize the product before actually turning that into this Plushy product. So I'm going to show you how you can turn your logo or any character into this nice and realistic Plushy using ChatGPT. Alright, first thing that you need to do is that you have to open ChatGPT and then log in to your account. And here for this demonstration, I'll try to convert the logo of Instagram into a realistic Plushy. Now I'm going to just drag and drop the file into ChatGPT, and then you can use this AI prompt. You can pause this video and then you can manually type it on ChatGPT, or you can just subscribe to this channel and then check the full prompt in the video description. Anyway, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste that into ChatGPT. Don't forget to enable create image, and by the way, if you know how to prompt, you can always modify the instruction in this prompt, but in this case I'm not going to change anything. I think this prompt works great. And after that, let's click this button to send the instruction and also the image to ChatGPT. Now just wait until ChatGPT finishes creating the picture. This process could take quite a while, so I'll show you the result in a moment. Alright, so 1 minute later, I got this picture, which I think looks amazing and pretty realistic. And also, I took the time and to creating this McDonald's logo into a Plushy, which I think looks even better. So that's how you can turn your logo into a nice 3D and realistic Plushy using only ChatGPT. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.